Ready?
Yes. Oh, we have another SHITler.
Whoa! It's cold.
Holy shit, it's cold in here.
I'm saying it's hot because I'm here.
Yeah, and it'd be like Mount Iceberg.
Ugh. Ooh, it's cold.
Yeah, and this thing is like Mount Iceberg.
Well, I wouldn't say that.
Or Antarctica.
Again, wouldn't say that.
Ice to meet you.
Hey, here, does every elevator have this?
The phone, don't touch it.
No, this.
Oh, the certificate? Yes, it does.
Wait, we already filmed this one because it takes.
No, it's identical to the other one, though.
Oh.
Beeping door sensors.
Yeah.
This one was broken for 11 months. I'm glad that they finally got this one working. Let's get a cap view.
It is too, buddy.
This one's not as dirty as the other one. The floor indicator's dead.
I want to say this, Aaron.
What?
Cowboys suck. Packers better.
Why do you say my favorite football team sucks?
Have you seen their 2020 season? It sucks.
I bet. Yes, I have actually.
Yeah, it sucked.
It kind of did suck, and it was the year of COVID. Oh shit, I forgot this one takes ages to level.
It sucked Dak.
Dak Prescott? Oh, no. Don't hate on my favorite football team. Anyways, that's it.
Dak.